Welcome on board. I want to give you some issue why and how we installed the capstone microturbine on board of Letantia. On a sailing yacht you need wind for fun, today we have too much, and you need electric energy for comfort. Here on Letantia we had installed 3 diesel generators, 2 45 kilowatts and 1 night generator with 19 kilowatts. And the 19 kilowatt generator tells you already the story. Diesel generators are noisy and make a lot of pollution. So we are not going to accept anymore this issue, and we were searching in the marine industry for better solutions. We found this variable speed generator with exhaust treatment, and personally speaking, variable speed means variable vibration and variable noise, and the exhaust treatment gives you more service issues. So we're looking to different industry and found capstone in California. Looking deeper to their product, we immediately find out this is exactly what we need. A proven system running thousands of pieces around the world. Only one rotating part means no vibration. Air bearing means no oil lubrication, and nearly no exhaust gas. There was only one tiny problem: the original system are not fitting to our engine room. So we bought one, put it in part, remove one of our 45 kilowatt generator out of the box, and install the capstone microturbine in this box. And what we get is exactly what we was dreaming. Have a look to the engine room now. This is the engine room of Letantia. You see the 3 generator boxes, main engine. We are really proud to get the capstone turbine into the original generator box without seeing there's something changed in the engine room. Here also in the engine room you find the main beside household, the main electric power consumer. There's air condition compressors, there's the 2 power packs for the hydraulic, there's the water maker and seawater treatment for the black water system on the boat. So since 1 year now the turbine is running on the boat, and we have never ever any failure. We have no maintenance done, even not changing any filters. There is no filters, only the air inlet filter. And a nice thing, there is no oil in use. So we have to this air bearing, there is no need of oil change. And you see it when you be in a bay, there is no oil in the water. And especially when the turbine is running and you're not hearing any noise outside of the exhaust system. You only see on the water there are some bubbles while the air heat the water down there. After the experience we've made the last 12 months with our capstone microturbine on board of Letantia, we are definitively sure this is the product for the superyacht industry and will replace the existing diesel generators. And I hope many boat owners want to follow us to keep the environment clean and quiet. Thank you.